How to set up T-Mobile Home Internet. First, unbox your T-Mobile 5G gateway and pick an ideal location near a window, elevated off the ground, and clear of interference from appliances or metallic objects to ensure a strong signal. Plug the gateway into a powered outlet and wait for it to fully boot. The LCD screen will show an animated logo, followed by status indicators denoting connection progress. Next, grab your smartphone and download the T-Life app, formerly the T-Mobile Internet app. Open the app, sign in with your T-Mobile ID, and follow the prompts. Either link an existing gateway or set up a new one. The app will assist with optimal placement and guide you through setting a custom Wi-Fi name and password. Once configured, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, locate the network, initially the default shown on your gateway label, enter your new credentials, and connect. For extra devices without Wi-Fi, you can use the Ethernet ports on the gateway. The app also lets you monitor signal strength, manage connected devices, and tweak settings remotely. With everything in place, your T-Mobile Home Internet should be working smoothly and securely. That's it. Thanks for watching.